time, we're going to do some cranial nerve testing. I'm going to have you cover one nostril with your thumb. We're testing cranial nerve 1 olfactory, and we have an alcohol swab here. I'm just going to have to take a sniff. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
All right, let's include the other nostril. And there you go. Good. So cranial nerve 1 is working appropriately. Next, we're going to test the optic nerve. Have you use your hand, cover up that left eye for me. Looking out at my chart here, what's the lowest line you can read there?
OHPNTZ.
Excellent. And with your other eye covered up, lowest line you can read there for me?
OHPNTZ.
Excellent. The optic nerve is functioning appropriately. The next couple nerves we're going to test are going to test the ocular motor muscles. So I'm just going to have you follow my finger here. And we are testing cranial nerves 3, 4, and 6. And looks like all of them are working appropriately. Great. Now we're going to test cranial nerve 5, which is the trigeminal nerve. I'm going to have you clench your teeth for me. I'm just going to touch each side of your face here. We see equalness on each side of muscle tone, and then I'm just going to lightly touch each part of your face here. Can you feel my hand every time I touch? We're just testing the sensory portion of cranial nerve 5. Cranial nerve 7 is the facial nerve, and now just have you smile for me, and we're looking equal on each side, so that nerve is functioning. Cranial nerve 8, I'm just going to have you cover one ear for me. I'm just going to rub my fingers next to your ear. Can you hear my fingers? Great, and we'll cover the other ear. And same here, is it equal on each side? Excellent. Cranial nerve 9 and 10 are glossopharyngeal and the vagus nerve, so I'm going to have you open your mouth and say, ah. And during this test, we're looking at her uvula to make sure that it's not tilted or deviated towards one side, and I'll just have you swallow. And that's testing the vagus nerve, make sure that's working appropriately, and they look like they are. Cranial nerve 11 is the spinal accessory nerve, so I'm just going to put some pressure on your shoulders. I'd like you to shrug your shoulders for me. And again, equal on each side. And cranial nerve 12 is the hypoglossal nerve, and I'll just have you stick your tongue out for me. And then point it that way and that way. Great, and we're equal on each side. That concludes cranial nerve testing.